I messed up. How to Own Your Mistakes by Sloane Hughes.
Messing up. We all mess up. Things don't always go the way we planned, and sometimes we're wrong. I messed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. Mistakes can be frustrating, but making a mistake is okay. When we own our mistakes, we know what we did wrong. Then we can be better because of them. All kinds of mistakes. Mistakes can be big or small. They can happen in many ways. Sometimes we say the wrong thing. We can make a mistake and get somewhere late. Even when we try really hard, we don't always get things right. No matter the size, messing up can be hard. It can make us feel many things. Think of the last time you messed up. How did it make you feel? Being real. No one is perfect. But sometimes the fear of not being perfect stops us from trying new things. It can keep us from taking on a challenge. It seems really hard. I don't know if I can do it. But think of all the fun things we might miss if we never try. Instead, we can be kind to ourselves when we make mistakes. It's okay if you aren't perfect the first time. Make a mistake. What would happen if we let ourselves try something new and hard? Let's see. Try it. Stick figures. 1. Find a pencil and a long stick. 2. Tape the pencil to the end of your stick. 3. Hold the end of the stick and draw a picture. It may be hard. 4. What happened? How did it feel to face a challenge? This looks strange, but I kind of like it. I like it too. Talk it out. Sometimes our mistakes hurt others. What should we do then? We need to take responsibility for our actions. We should acknowledge what we've done wrong. We can say we're sorry. If there's something we can do to make it better, we should try. I'm sorry. I took your hiding place. Sniff. It's okay. You're still my friend. Saying sorry. Not sure how to say sorry? It's as easy as S-O-R-R-Y. Try it. What to say. 1. See it. Acknowledge what you have done. 2. Own it. Make it clear that you made a mistake. 3. Repair the harm. Do what you can to fix things. 4. Respond differently. Get ready to do things differently next time. 5. Yield or slow down. Stop and think the next time something is about to happen. Saying sorry can make a big difference. Messy lessons. Messing up is only the start. What comes after a mess up is the important part. Maybe we need to do something differently next time. Mistakes help us learn. They teach us what we need to work on. We can practice those things to get better. I'm going to keep working on my spelling. The art of mistakes. When we own our mistakes, we can turn them into something new. Try it. Create from mistakes. 1. Make a couple of rips in a piece of paper. 2. Gather some coloring tools. 3. Draw a picture using the rips as part of the art. 4. Get new paper and continue to make more beautiful mistakes. Nom nom. Now my monster can eat. Fall into something new. Sometimes our mistakes lead to something even better. In fact, some of the things you use every day came about because someone messed up. The first chocolate chip cookies were a mistake. A gluey mess-up created sticky notes. Plastic was a mistake. Now it's everywhere. Think of a time when you messed up. Did anything good happen after? It's okay to mess up. Let's own our mistakes. Because of them, we can learn how to get better at things. I don't let mess-ups mess me up. We're ready to keep learning and moving forward. Everybody makes mistakes.